Hi, I'm Marna, and this is a Dolls Rescue channel, and I have Happy Mail. This is from Melissa at It's a Stroke of Life, and if you are not subscribed to her channel, go by and see it. I'm going to leave the link in the description so you can see her channel. Did you see she put a bike on here? That's what I was showing. You know, Happy Mail is a big deal. Look at the price just to send it. That doesn't include what she has inside. I honestly appreciate any Happy Mail that I get. And I take note that this did not just cost you. You also went and, bought something or made something to put in the envelope, and then you paid the postage. And not only that, wrapping it up. Thank you so much. Let me find where this opens because I reuse these. Okay, here we go. It's a piece of tape. Oh, isn't that adorable? Look at these patterns. We have been sewing for the 18-inch dolls, and we have been doing a lot of collabs for the 18-inch dolls. So I really appreciate this. You know, with just a little bit of tweaking, you could make a Kira outfit out of that with some fake, what do we call that? Fake leather, faux, whatever it is. Let's see what Melissa says. Marna, just a little thank you for all you do. Oh gosh, I don't do. Thank you. I don't do that much. This community is amazing on its own. Just a little thank you for all you do for the doll community. You have given me so much fun and motivations to create. Thank you. Darren, I have something else I will send at another time. Ooh, for you, I appreciate you too. I have a copy of these patterns as well if you decide you want to do a collab. Of course I do. When you have a free moment with your others, LOL. Take care. Toodles. She always says Toodles. She's so cute. Melissa, and another bicycle. Darren and I have been back out riding. I am up to 16 miles as of yesterday. This is pre-recorded. And I'm very happy about that. I need to get out and get my blood pumping and vitamin D. And, anyway, Melissa, thank you so much. These are adorable. Yes, I look forward to every collab. Melissa sews beautifully, and she has a lot of different dolls on her channel. She does a lot of collabs and a lot of challenges. You will like Melissa and her channel. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue channel. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.